Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this easy 3D effect. So if you didn't watch the first one, I was going to show you how to print it. I went to my other laptop that it does have a print driver on it. So you just go to print, and I need to go to my epilogue, print fusion. I actually need to change the size to my bed, 40 by 28, and there's my option. So when I go to preferences, right here under advanced, you have a 3D mode. I don't know what that really does, but it really makes it pop. And then I would go to preferences. I would raster it 600 dots per inch, and I would start off like at 25 speed, run that. It's going to burn it quite heavily. Stay near your laser because it will flame up a little bit. There is a way to turn your air assist on for rastering, but this is so little it's not that big a deal. And run that, and then maybe go to 45, run it again, go to 65 and run it again. And what it'll do, it'll actually clean it up. It'll get rid of some of the burn marks. But once you hit OK, and then you're ready to print. So that's a 3D effect under, I need to figure out how to get it to stay there. And just go to advanced. And there's your 3D effect. And once you hit OK, it'll engrave in 3D. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.